Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making Haitian Pikliz. Pikliz is a kind of spicy slaw. We use cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, onion, and seasonings. If you like spicy food, you can add hot peppers. We mix everything well and add lemon juice and orange juice for extra flavor. We add also salt. Some people add bouillon cubes, but I prefer using homemade spicy marinade. We serve pickles with classic fritai. Tonight we have berries, fried plantains, and fried meat. We serve it with a good red wine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. May God visit your table. See you next time. Bye bye.